What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you one of my secret recipes to this delicious chia pudding. Yes, I said delicious. As you can see, I am just putting all of my ingredients on the counter and getting everything nice and cute and well put together. As you can see, we have some fruit, we have some fresh raspberries, some fresh blueberries, I have some oikos, Greek yogurt, and also some honey from my local Wegmans. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. So starting out, I'm taking the Oikos Pro. As you can see, it has 23 grams of protein, baby. Don't forget about the protein. Make sure that you are stirring it up because sometimes it likes to separate and get like this liquid in it. So I always make sure that I stir it up. Then I am just putting some of that. I don't use any measurements. This is all from the top of the head, baby, okay? We are putting the Greek yogurt into the container. Then we are going to go in with the chia seeds. This is an individual package of chia seeds that I got from my local Wegmans. Pour that into the yogurt mixture. Super simple, okay? This is not rocket science. Then we're going to take and make sure that the chia seeds are evenly distributed and mixed well through the Greek yogurt, okay? So making sure that we stir and making sure that I'm scraping the sides and the edges because some of those seeds like to get lost in the corners, and baby, we can't have that, okay? So next I'm going to open up my blueberries. Yes, they are already washed off. As you can see, they're wet, like they have water on them because I rinsed them before, okay? So don't come for me. Then I'm going to take some of my raspberries and just put those inside of the bowl. Super simple, okay? This is a quick and easy breakfast, lunch, or snack idea. As you can see, I had to put me a couple of extra raspberries in there because raspberries is literally one of my favorite fruits. Now, you can use any kind of fruit you want. Look at me being greedy, putting some more blueberries on the other side. And then to top it off, I always put just a little bit of honey. So yeah, and that's how you make the delicious chia pudding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.